Hey my cookies, today we are going to be making these extra crispy keto chicken wings in an air fryer. We're also going to be reviewing the Cosori air fryer, so let's do it. Of course, we'll need chicken wings. My wings are already cut, separated into flats and drums. I've rinsed them really well and I'm going to pat them dry with paper towels. I'm keeping the seasonings really simple, starting with some poultry seasoning, then some garlic powder and onion powder. And that's it for the spices, but we need some baking powder. Baking powder is going to draw out all of the liquid from the skin of the chicken, making it extra crispy. So we're going to need half a tablespoon of that, and then we're just going to mix it all together really well. And don't worry, the baking soda won't make the meat dry, but it's just going to make that skin really crispy. Now sprinkle that mix over the chicken and then toss it really well to coat. And guys, I'm moving backwards. I was supposed to pour this olive oil on the chicken before the spices, but that's all right. Pour it in there and mix it together really well. Now you can marinate this for 30 minutes or even overnight. It's up to you. But just mix it together really well. And now let's talk about the air fryer. With the unit, you receive the warranty, which is always good. I love Cosori's warranty. They have excellent customer service as well. You get a manual, which I definitely recommend that you read over before you use your air fryer. And my favorite part is the recipe book. Now, sometimes companies are a little stingy with recipes. They give you maybe 5 or 6, but Cosori gave us a booklet, y'all. It was like over 100 recipes. It also contains a preset cheat sheet with different timings and temperatures for all different types of meals. The unit itself is completely touchscreen in operation and it's really sleek looking. I love it. It has many presets that will make cooking even easier and more convenient. So we're going to start with our chicken wings by preheating the air fryer to 400 degrees. As you can see from the display, it'll take 5 minutes to preheat, so go ahead and press start. And it's important while using the air fryer that you don't block the vent in the back. Keep that open. And when it's done, it'll say ready and the little lines will appear. Now you can slide out the basket, which is really easy to open. We want to spray our basket. It's non-stick, but we want to make sure that we spray it with some olive oil cooking spray just to ensure that it doesn't stick. Then add in your chicken wings. We're going to do it in a single layer. If you have more chicken wings than me, you might need to do 2 batches, but we want to leave a little bit of room in between each wing so that the air circulates around it. I've selected the chicken preset, but I'm going to turn the temp up to 400 and then change the time to 22 minutes, which was way too much time. But press start and let's get this going. After only 9 minutes of cooking, the unit paused and it told me that it was time to shake the basket. How cool. So you want to make sure you cover the release button so you don't accidentally click that and the basket falls apart while you're shaking it. So I shook it, and at this moment the chicken was completely done after only 9 minutes of cooking. But I wanted it to be a little bit crispier, so I shook it well and then placed it back in for an additional 5 more minutes. And guys, look at this chicken. Did you guys hear that? Yeah, I will never put chicken in grease again. The Cosori air fryer is a definite win. I'll leave the link in the description box where you can purchase your own air fryer. And of course, the link to my recipe for these crispy, juicy, and delicious keto-friendly chicken wings will be down there in the description box as well, so that you guys can try this at home. Like, you gotta try it. You just have to. Big special thanks to Cosori for sending us this air fryer to try out. We love it. And of course, thank you guys for watching. Look, the thief is back, but I guess I'll let him sample the wings today. He helped out. So until next time, guys, be blessed.